Hi children, today we are discussing about the chapter from maths, that is fractional numbers. Children, fraction, we know that fraction means it is a part of whole. It is a part of whole. If we take this circle or this what we call as pizza or maybe a roti, it is a full circle, full now. So that is called as whole. Fraction means what? It is a part of whole, and then it is divided into two parts. If we take for this roti, when it cut equal parts, this roti or pizza cut into equal parts. So what happens? It divides into two equal halves, means two equal parts, and then this full what we call as whole, the total number of parts, what we call as 2. Yes, 2. Okay, that is called as denominator. Denominator spelling DENOMINATOR. The total number of parts, so that is called as denominator. If we shade half of this part, half of this equal part, so that shaded part is called as 1. So how many parts we have shaded here? Only one part. So that one part we call it as numerator. The shaded part is called as numerator. NUMERATOR. A fraction is a part of whole. It is divided into two parts. That is, the total number of parts is called as denominator. The shaded part is called as numerator. Here the total number of parts is 2. 1, 2. Okay, that is called as denominator. The shaded part is only 1. That is 1. Numerator. Here, this is a page. So this square, what we call a square or page, this is also a part of full, means whole, and then it is cut into two equal parts. See children? Is cut into two equal parts. Okay, how many parts are there? So this is a, and one more thing, we can call it as half, but it cut into 4 equal parts. What happens? That we call it as 4. But here I will shade two parts. 1, 2. The shaded part is how much? 2. Write down 2. Again we can simplify this 2 by 4, okay, but this is called as half, okay. 4, total number of parts is 4, but shaded part is 2. So like that we have to cut the whole part. So if we get equal part, that is called as fractions. If we cut this case, means it get two identical, that is two equal parts. And also we cut this here or here, we get two equal parts. If we cut this, the letter here, so wherever it may be, lateral, horizontal or vertical, it is not a fraction. It does not give any two equal parts. Okay children, so if we get half part or equal part, then it is called as what? Fractions. In the fractions we can call it as 1 by 2, we call it as what? Half. 1 by 2, that is half. And then 1 by 4 part is called as quarter. QUARTER. How we can write the quarter? If we take this same pizza that cut into 4 equal parts, here denominator is what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 total number of parts is 4, but shaded part is only 1. If we shade one part of, or if we take one piece of pizza, so that is 1 by 4th part. How many part? 1 by 4th part, that is called as quarter. What? Quarter. And if we take same pizza, cut into 4 parts, and we can call it as 3 by 4th part, means, so it takes 3 by 3rd of this pizza. Okay, remaining one is only 1, but we call it as the shaded part is 3, that is called as 3/4. 3/4 part. Okay children, half we can call it as 1 by 2, 1 by 4 call it as quarter. This is called as 3/4. 3/4 part. 3/4 part. And here are some remembrance. In 4 equal parts, each part is a quarter. In the 4 equal parts, here only one part, that is called as quarter. That is 1/4. Half of a half is called a quarter. Half of a half is called a quarter. When we call it as this half, so then it is called as half of a half is called as quarter. And then in a whole, children, if we take this circle, it cut into 4 equal parts. Here I will share 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Here the total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is called as dividing line. Below the dividing line, we can write the total number of parts. How many parts we are here shading? 1, 2, 3. Number of shaded part is 3. We can call it as 3/4. What, children? 3/4. And 3 here, 3 is numerator. 3 is numerator. And 4 is what? Denominator. 4 is denominator. And here if you take this, here I will share this 2 parts. 1, 2. The total number of parts we can write in the denominator place. Write down dividing line. How many total parts here is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down 6 in the denominator place, and the shaded part is only 2. Write 2 in the numerator. Here 2 is called as numerator, 6 is called as what? Denominator. In the triangle, I will share only one part of this picture or figure. The total number of parts, write down the dividing line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 write in the denominator place. The shaded part is only 1, that write in numerator place. Here 1 is called as numerator, 4 is denominator. Okay, children? And then I will write in. So write down. So this fraction is writing words. Okay. So I am already written in numerals. So write this one. 3/4. 3/4. Next, this one 2/6. 2/6. And this one is 1/4. 1/4. This fraction is writing words. And then 4, 2, 6. And also write one more words, 2/6. We can call it as 2/6. This 3/4 is written in the words 3/4, and 2/6 is written in words 2/6, and this 1/4. F-O-R-T-H. Okay, children? F-O-U-R-T-H-4. Okay, this is called as the fractions. We will write in the words. And let us move to the next exercise 8.1. Exercise number 8.1. Here, first one. The unshaded part is half. So shaded part is also half. Unshaded part, this is called as shaded part, is half. The unshaded part also half. In this one, we can write the fraction. The total number of part is 1, 2. Write in denominator place. The shaded part is 1. So 1 is called as numerator, 2 is called as denominator. So we can call this fraction as half. Write down half. Next, second one. from your picture, that's from your page number 35, green colored part is quarter. Here the green colored part is quarter because it is shaded for only 1, and other remaining part is 3, that is 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4 red color, 1 by 4 color is quarter. Match the shaded part in the picture with the suitable fractions. Here the fractions are given, so we have to match this. This is called as quarter because it is shaded to quarter. And then second one, half. This triangle is shaded to half part, call it as half. And next, third one is shaded to 3 by 4, call it as 3/4. 3/4 part. Okay children, next main, write as shown in the example. Here are some weights they are given, so we have to write in terms of kgs, that is kilograms. As per you have to write the fractional weights. Okay, first one, they are given 250 grams. So 250 grams, that is the quarter of 1 kg. Quarter of what? 100,000 grams. Quarter of this 1000 grams. That is quarter means 1 by 4th of this 1000. That is called as quarter kg. And half kg. Half kg, we can write it as 500 kg. Okay, 500 kg. And next, 500 grams. Half kg means what? 500 grams. This 500 gram is half of this 1000 gram. Next one is whole. Whole means what? 1 kg. Whole means what? 1. Full. Write as shown in the example. From your page number 36, use your pencil and fill this textbook. First one, quarter rupee, that is 25 paisa. Quarter rupee. So you know that 1 rupee makes how many paisa? 100 paisa. So in that one, quarter means 25 paisa. Half rupee means how much? 50 paisa. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. In 100 paisa, half of that is 50 paisa. Half rupee. And then this 3 they are given. That is 25 quarter rupees. 3 quarters they are given. So write this one as 3/4 rupee. Because when we add these quarters, we get 3 by 4th. Okay, 3 by 4th of the 100 paisa. Okay, and then next one, 3/4. Shade the picture as directed. Okay children, the next main is shade the given pictures as they are given some fractions. Here this is a triangle. Shade this to half. Shade this to half. Write the center line and shade using the color pencils. Call it as this half. Half. Okay. HALF. Next one. Fill this one by using this is a beaker. They are divided into 4 partitions. And fill 3/4 of beaker with color. So 3/4 means here colors using your color pencils and shade this one. It completed 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4 or 3/4. Okay children, 3/4 of this fraction. And then next color the quarter of the picture, the number 8. So number 8, you have to color only one part. So write it as 1 by 4. 1 by 4. What's called as 1 by 4? What's the name? Quarter. 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 So like that you have to fill and color this one. Divide the picture into 2 equal parts by drawing the line and color half. from your page number 38, do this sum, do this coloring. Divide this square into two equal parts and color half of that. Okay, they are given square. So divide into two equal parts. So dividing and then color the half part. Okay children, next one, circle. Draw the circle and divide it into two equal parts and then color it. Draw the lines and shade the quarter in each of the following given below. So quarter means what? 1 by 4. Divide the picture into 4 parts and do the coloring for only one part. So we will get a quarter, that is 1 by 4. Next one, second circle. Divide this circle into 4 equal parts and then color to only one part. We will get 1 by 4th, that is quarter. In the numerical representations also write out this one, and from your exercise observe the figure and fill in the blanks. Observe the figure and fill in the blanks, that is from page number 42. They are already shaded with using colors. Like that you have to shade in your classworks. Okay. First one, fractional form of the shaded portion. Here they are divided into two equal parts in the triangle and shaded only one part, that is called as 1 by 2. Okay. Second one, fractional form of shaded part is how much children? So this figure is divided into two equal parts and only it will be shaded to one part, that is half, 1 by 2. Next, third one, this picture is divided into 4 equal parts and shaded only one part. The part name, the fraction name is called as what? Quarter, 1 by 4. And similarly, the next rectangle shape is divided into 4 equal parts, shaded 3 parts. The fraction name is called as 3/4, 3 by 4. So like that you have to write the fractions, match the following by drawing the line. Half part, children, half part means what? Half, 1 by 2. Quarter means what? 1 by 4. 3 by 4 means what? 3 by 4. Next main, shade the given picture as directed. Okay. First one, first figure, shade this, they are directed as half. Second one, this one is shaded to 1 by 4. And third one, it is divided into 3 by 4. So here I will shade only one part because numerator is only 1. So this is divided into half. Okay. Next 1 by 4, that is quarter. We have to shade only one part because numerator is only 1. Total number of parts is 4. That is called as denominator. Okay. Next, there are 3 parts are shaded here. That is called as 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4. Total number of parts is 4. Denominator, the shaded part is numerator 1, 2, 3. Okay. Express the figures as a fractional form, and you have to do yourself. All the pictures you have to shade using your color pencils as directed here. Okay. Write the numerical form of the following. We know that half means 1 by 2. This is called as the numerical form. Half. Quarter part is 1 by 4, and this 3 by 4th part is 3/4 part is 3 by 4. So these are called as numerical forms. And you have to state the meaning of the given fractions as shown below. Half means dividing an object into 2 equal parts and taking and shading only one part as a numerator. Whereas this quarter means dividing the given figure into 4 equal parts and shading only one part. And this 3/4 part means divide the given figure into 4 equal parts and shaded only 3 parts. This is called as 3/4. Okay children, so the classworks you have to write neatly and color the figures neatly. Thank you children.